Hello, 6th grade band. Today, this is going to be an instructional video to show you how to create each of the songs or each of the videos for our virtual holiday concert this year. Once you have practiced and effectively learned each of the pieces that we're going to use, which are Jingle Bells, Up on the Housetop, and Reindeer Boogie, then we're now going to be ready to create a video of you playing along to each of those songs. First, let's go ahead and open up our Google Chrome browser. Let's go over to our Waffle and we're going to open up to our Google Classroom. Let's go into 6th grade band. Let's go ahead over to classwork. And now you're going to see a post that I'm going to apply for each of the songs and each of the videos that you're going to create. Again, one for Jingle Bells, one for Up on the Housetop, and one for Reindeer Boogie. Let's go ahead and just use Jingle Bells for the example video here. Again, once you have learned your part, it is very important that you practice your part for each of the songs on your own from the holiday song packet until you're comfortable with the notes and rhythms and able to play through the entire song with minimal stopping or errors. The PDFs of the packets are located through this link that you can click on in case you have perhaps lost your original paper packet. Okay, once you've learned your part, the next step is to then go and practice your part along with the pre-made video play-along click tracks that I posted a few weeks ago. It's very important that you are able to play at the same speed as the video and that you don't stop, or if you get off, that you're able to get back on track without pausing the video as if you were playing in a real concert. Here's the click track video link in case you need to know where that is. So you're going to practice multiple times playing along with that video. Once you have learned your part and you feel successful in being able to play along with the video, now you're able to move on to the next step to record for each of these songs. So in order to do this, here's what we're going to do. You're going to open up your click track video for your part. I'm just going to use clarinet for right now. I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button.
Hello, clarinets. This is going to be
But
a
then I'm
play.
going to hit pause because I want to full screen this. Okay. Now, you can utilize the video here of the piece of music on your screen, or you can go ahead and play the video while you have your sheet music in front of you. So let me go ahead and minimize this real quick. Now, in order to create the video, here's what you're going to do. You're going to have your screen preloaded with the click track. We're then going to go up here to our menu bar on the Google Chrome browser, and you may either have located in the right side of your search bar a little icon that looks like a pink arrow called Screencastify. If you don't have it there, you will have to go to the puzzle piece and then go down to where you see your Screencastify. Go ahead and click on either one of those, either here or in the puzzle piece. A little box pops out. Now, in order to record yourself playing, you're going to need some headphones. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put my headphones in. I have a pair of just Bluetooth Apple AirPods. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Then what I'm going to do is go ahead and set my parameters for how to make the video. I'm going to hit webcam only. I'm going to make sure that my microphone is turned on. I'm going to hit the little drop down menu here, and it's very important that if your headphones have built-in microphones that we make sure we select the correct microphone. I'm going to suggest that you use the default built-in microphone in your device, that means your Chromebook or your laptop. So I'm using my laptop, so I'm going to hit my default built-in microphone. Next, we're going to come down here to camera. We're going to make sure that your camera is enabled. And then we're going to hit the record button. So just to recap, we have put our headphones in. We have connected or selected the option for the built-in microphone. We've selected the option for the camera. Make sure that your camera is able to be turned on your Chromebook. Now I'm going to hit record. You may hear a little countdown like that, and so now you can see it's recording a view of you. Let's go ahead and just simply minimize this tab. We're not going to close it, we're just going to minimize it. It is still recording, but it's recording in the background. And the reason I minimized it is that you have to be able to see what you brought up on your Chromebook tab, which is the ClickTrack video. So here's what we're going to do. It's recording me now. I'm going to go ahead and play along with the ClickTrack video. I'm going to hit play. Now, I'm going to go ahead and either let it play or fast forward a little bit until it gets to right before where the actual playing begins. Once it gives me the count off, I'm going to go ahead and tap my foot and I'm going to play along with the ClickTrack video. Ready? So as I was doing that and playing along, what I was doing was listening to it in my headphones while the screen was going ahead and playing my ClickTrack video. And again, it's very important that you play along with that video while your Screencastify is recording a vision or an image of you playing it. So that way I can see and hear you, but I can't hear the ClickTrack video when I go back to listen to these. Only you can hear that ClickTrack video, which is why it's very important that you have headphones in. Once you have finished playing along with that ClickTrack video, we're going to go ahead and stop and save the recording of you playing. We're going to go up here, we're going to click the little Screencastify icon, and we're going to hit the stop button. Next, it's going to go ahead and open up to the video that we created of you playing along to that ClickTrack. And just simply minimize this tab. I'm going to hit play. Now, as you notice, because I had my headphones in, you aren't able to hear what my computer was playing from that ClickTrack video, but I was able to hear it in the background or in my ears so that I could play along. Because all we want to do is play and pick up yourself playing. So now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go ahead up to this little untitled menu bar. I'm going to title this Jingle Bells, and I'm going to do a little dash, and I'm going to put my last name there. So that'll save the video automatically to your Google Drive, and you don't know how to identify it. Now here's what we're going to do. This is really easy. We're going to come over here, and we're going to click on the blue button that says Copy Shareable Link. Once that is done, it has copied it automatically. And to submit this video of, again, yourself playing along with the ClickTrack video for each of our songs, we're going to copy each of those links for each of the videos. We're going to come back over to our Google Classroom. We're going to go back into classwork, and we're going to go to each of the video submission spots or posts, and we're going to copy and paste our copied shared link for the video into the assignment and hit mark as done and submit. And once you've done the one for Jingle Bells, you're going to also see a little assignment for each of the other songs up on the housetop. and Reindeer Boogie, in which you'll repeat the same process of practicing it on your own, practicing it with the video track playing in the background, and then creating the video of you using Screencastify playing with that video click track. But remember, have headphones in so that all we can hear is you playing and not you and the click track video. If you have questions or are confused, please let me know by emailing me at nickel, Nickel, at wasd.school, or simply ask me during class. Thank you all. Have a great time playing, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you all can do.